CoinXchange is a versatile cryptocurrency exchange platform offering users a wide range of digital assets for trading. In this video, we provide an in-depth look at the platform's interface, features, and security measures, perfect for both new and experienced traders. CoinXchange aims to provide a seamless trading experience with a clean interface and robust security features. We also guide you on how to set up an account, deposit funds, and begin trading efficiently. Stay tuned for useful tips to make your trading experience smoother. Subscribe and get a bonus for new users at https://lnk.do/jquucoif.coinexchange has emerged as a solid platform for both crypto beginners and professionals. The site is designed with simplicity in mind, ensuring easy navigation through its wide array of cryptocurrencies, including popular options like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, as well as a host of altcoins. The homepage is neatly organized, presenting essential tools right at your fingertips. To start using CoinXchange, the first step is creating an account. After signing up, you can access a comprehensive dashboard that tracks your portfolio, live prices, and recent trades. The interface is straightforward, featuring a clean layout that doesn't overwhelm you with too much information. If you're new to trading, CoinXchange's simple design makes it easy to explore the market and execute basic trades. Once you've created your account, you can deposit funds. CoinXchange supports a variety of payment methods, including crypto deposits, bank transfers, and other payment options, depending on your region. The platform also boasts low deposit and withdrawal fees, which can save you money over time. After your deposit is confirmed, you can start trading instantly. For trading, CoinXchange offers a user-friendly order book system where you can place market, limit, and stop limit orders. The platform supports both spot and margin trading, giving you the flexibility to engage in different types of trades according to your risk appetite. CoinXchange also provides detailed charts with real-time price movements, allowing you to make informed decisions. Security is a priority on CoinXchange. The platform offers two-factor authentication (2FA) to help protect your account from unauthorized access. In addition to 2FA, CoinXchange also uses advanced encryption methods to ensure that your data and funds are secure. If you're looking to store your digital assets for the long term, CoinXchange provides secure wallet options, including cold storage for added protection. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign-up link and bonus for new users is in the description. CoinXchange also offers an affiliate program, allowing users to earn rewards by referring others to the platform. The more people you refer, the more you can earn, making it an attractive option for those looking to monetize their crypto knowledge. CoinXchange's customer support is responsive and available via multiple channels, ensuring that help is always just a few clicks away if you encounter any issues. For those interested in advanced features, CoinXchange also offers API integrations for automated trading. This feature is ideal for traders who wish to implement their own trading strategies or use bots for efficient execution. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, CoinXchange offers a balanced and intuitive platform for trading crypto. Its straightforward user interface, low fees, robust security, and wide selection of digital assets make it a solid choice for anyone looking to dive into the crypto world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth crypto reviews.